Good morning, sir.
Yes, how are you all? Savira, how are you today? Sadhana Puta, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, Sadhanu?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
Fine, Puta. Thank you. Tinuka, how are you? Are you there, Tinuka? Tinuka, are you there? How are you today? Was Senuka there earlier?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Was Senuka there earlier, Puta? Was he there earlier? Metana hitiyada Senuka? Today, Senula will not participate into the class. He has already put a message. Also, he has requested to record these sessions also. Therefore, we are doing that. Okay. Actually, first of all, I have to say sorry for postponing last Wednesday class. It's because of my matter. On that day, I had a severe headache. Therefore, such a situation I can't handle. I can't teach you all. That is why I decided to not to do the class on that day. එහෙම කරා නම් වැඩක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලට. ඒක නිසා තමයි අපි class එක තියුවේ නැත්තේ. It's my matter. Anyway, it doesn't matter now. Now these days they are doing lots of extra classes now. Instead of our usual day, we are doing lots of extra classes. Therefore, no matter, we can do lots of things. Also, we have done lots of things up to now. Last day, it means last Friday. About what did we learn? About last Friday, what did we learn?
About the space bar?
Yes. What else? Not only about the space bar. What else?
Shift key?
Yes. What else?
The caps lock key?
Yes. Very good. Okay. So we have to learn rest of two keys. We have to learn another two more keys. It's tab key and the backspace key. Tab key and the backspace key. අපිට තව keys දෙකක් තියෙනවා මේක ඉගෙන ගන්න. Tab key එකයි backspace එකයි. Today we are going to learn those things. Also, from today, I'm going to give you all a little exercise. I'm going to give you all something to practice in your home and show me that. අද ඉඳන් ඔයගලන්ට තව දෙයක් දෙනවා. Before I started to discuss about the keys of the keyboard, I'll show you that. මම අද පෙන්නනවා ඔයගලන්ට ඒක. So then I'll send the entire exe file to you all to download that, to set it up the particular software into your computer. So by that you all can practice your typing speed. You can improve your typing speed. ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. Mostly you all are typing like this. Look at this, Savira. Are you typing properly? Are you typing properly? Are you? Yes or no?
Sir, I can type much speeder, but not like others.
Yes, I know you can type much speeder than others. You can type fast, but not in proper way. I know you are not moving all of your fingers in proper manner. Those things has happened to myself also. Speed එක තියෙනවා. type කරලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඕකේ games ගහලා ඔක්කොම කරලා speed එක තියෙනවා. ඒක මම දන්නවා. But you all have to uh, uh, move your fingers properly. Everybody should learn to move your fingers properly. Then it's really good to your hand, right? So therefore, I'm going to teach you all about it now. Thereafter, we'll start the lesson. Teach you all, and I'll send you all the link. My link එක දානවා. ඒක download කරලා exe file එක run කරලා, so then you all can start to practice your typing speed. මං කියන දේ කරන් එන්න ඕන හැබැයි ඒක. මං කියනවා මේ ටික practice කරන් එන්න ඕන කියලා speed එකේ. So thereafter I'm going to check by sharing the screen. That is a new task of ours. We'll see. Okay. Yes, can you all look at the screen? Can you all look at the shared screen? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Right. So how we all have to practice is like this. When the practice send out idea. This is your keyboard, right? Look at this. This is your keyboard. You all have to keep your fingers like this. Also, I have sent a picture earlier, isn't it? I have already sent a picture regarding the positions of your fingers on the keyboard, isn't it? මං එව්වා නේද?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. මෙන්න ඒ විදිහට තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. බලන්න අපි ඇඟිලි ටික තියාගන්න ඕන විදිය. Z S D F, then thumb to space bar, then again thumb to space bar of our right hand, then J K L like this. මෙන්න මෙහෙම තියාගන්න ඕන. Right. ඊට පස්සේ then they are asking us to type F, then space, J, space, D, space, K, space. So they are also highlighting our finger to be pressed next. Can I look at that? ඒගොල්ලෝ අපි ඊට පස්සේ press කරන්න ඕන finger එක highlight කරනවා. මේ බලන්න. By dark green color, right? Again F, then space, J, space, D, space, K, space, F, space, J, space, D, space, K, space, F, space, J, space, D, space, K. අන්න මේ තියෙන ස්පීඩ් එක. ඔන්න මගේ ස්පීඩ් එක. Speed 12 WPM. Accuracy 100% words. Slow down 0% words. That is my speed. So you all also have to 12 WPM means 12 words per minute. Speed is 12 words per minute. So therefore it's easy. I'll send you the link. Are you all like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's like a
Yes,
game. Huh?
sir.
It's like a game. ඒක game එකක් වගේ. අර මම මේකේ exe file එක එවනවා ඔයගලන්ට. I'll send the exe file. Then you all can download, you all can run on your computer, right? You all can run on your computer. Today Senuka didn't come, ne? He didn't come today. You all have to practice this as a homework. Level 1. Huh? ඊළඟ දවසේ එනකොට you all have to practice this speed up to 12 WPM. මේ level එක 12 WPM වෙන්න practice කරන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. මම මේක දානවා. exe file එක ඔයාලට එවනවා. Right? මෙතනින් select කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ lesson එක introduction, beginner, experienced, advanced, testing. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන you all can select from here basics, lesson 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then shift keys 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, digit keys, numeric pad, like this. Like that, you all better practice it. මම ඒක එවනවා ඊළඟ දවසේ මේක practice කරගන්න ඕන. What you have to practice is you all have to practice here first basics, lesson 1 මේක practice කරන් එන්න ඕන. හොඳට practice කරන් එන්න ඕන. You can't type by stopping. Okay? මොකද මට
Okay, sir.
දැන් මේක ඔයාලට අතින් අල්ලලා practice කරන්න මෙතන විදියක් නැහැ. නමුත් අපි මේ විදියට මේක හිමීට practice කරගමු. It should be better for your future, right? It should be better for your future, right? To send that link, I need everybody's email. To send that file, I need everybody's email. Putala, you better put your email to myself. Then I'll share the particular file to your email. Everybody should send me a using email. ඔබලා use කරන email එක මට එවන්න ඕන. Okay? Do everybody have?
Yes, sir.
Right. Savira?
I have.
Yes. Send me the mail. Then I'll send you this exe file. Right. Okay. That's all. That's all about typing thing. Savira send me. Yes, Savira sent me his email by chat. Others also send their emails by chat. Then I can send it. Right. Last time we did finally learn about space bar. What can we do by the space bar? Space bar එකෙන් මොකද්ද කරන්න පුළුවන්? What can we do by the space bar?
We can create a empty space between two words.
Yes. We can create a empty space. How many spaces at once?
If we press on the space bar once, it only creates one space. If we press on it twice, it creates two empty spaces, and so on.
Did we use the tab key? No, no. අපි tab key එක පාවිච්චි කරේ නැහැනේ.
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Give me a second, Putra. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Sorry, most it's happening. Right. Have you all know what you all can do by the tab key? Raise the hands, guys who know about the tab key. What can you all do by the tab key? Guys, raise the hand. මේ tab key එකෙන් මොකද්ද කරන්න කියලා දන්න අය අතුස්සන්. සවිර? Savira, don't you know? Sadhanu?
I know, sir.
Yes, I know, but I didn't hear your voice. That's why I asked twice.
I don't know.
Senuka?
Sammy, I too don't know.
Tinuka?
I don't know, sir.
You also do not know, right? Anup and Savira knows that, eh? Right? Okay, no problem. Can you all look at the shared screen now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here I typed some sentence. Here I typed some sentence. මම මෙතන පොඩි sentence එකක් type කරා නිකන් මට හිතිච්ච දෙයක් කියලා. So when I was typing the sentence, I have already kept a space using the space bar, right? I have already kept a space by using the space bar. Now we'll see what can we do by the tab key. Look at this. Now I am going to press tab key here. This is the tab key. Now when I am pressing the tab key, look at what's happening on my screen. What happened? Again, look at this. Look at this. What happened?
It created a large space between two words.
Yes. Yes. The tab key creates somewhat bigger space than by one click, a single click by the space bar. මේ space bar එකේ single click එකට වඩා යම්තාක් ලොකු space එකක් මෙයා තියෙනවා tab key එක. That is what we can do by the tab key. Tab key එකෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන් දේ ඒකයි. Right? It means by the tab key, it creates somewhat big space between two words. So when we press tab once, it creates one space. Then when we press tab again, it creates another space. Then we press again the tab. Again, it creates another bigger space. So we can create spaces by the tab somewhat bigger between two words instead of single click of the space bar. මේ space bar එකේ single click එකට වඩා වැඩි space එකක් අපිට එක tab position එකකින් create කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? It's all about tab key. Understood that, Sadhanu? Senuka?
You understood, sir.
Senuka?
Understood, sir.
Yes. So then we'll write down about this first. අපි මේක ගැන ලියාගමු ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Write down a topic, tab key. Use of tab keys. Topic is use of tab keys. Use of tab keys. Right, write down as a first point, it creates somewhat big space between two words. It creates somewhat big space between two words. It creates somewhat big space between two words. Next point. Pressing the tab key creates a single space and next point, pressing the tab key creates a single space and pressing it twice creates two spaces and so on. Pressing the tab key creates a single space and pressing it twice creates two spaces and so on. For the example, write down. Everybody write example number 1. Write down your name as an example, Sandanu Vikramasinghe. So when you are typing your name, Sandanu Vikramasinghe, normally you are keeping a space by space bar, no? Like that. So you then better write it down on your book, Sandanu space as an example. So others have to use their name. As an example, I did show Sadhanu's name. Sadhanu space Vikramasinghe. එතකොට ඔයා ඒක ලියන්න සදනු කියලා ලියලා පොඩි space එකක් දාලා Vikramasinghe. Others should write down their names as an example.